Hello friends! Today I'll paint a watercolor landscape, a dry tree in the desert. My task is to convey the hot sunlight that illuminates the tree from behind and the shadow that the tree casts on the sand. I'll use the wet on wet technique to form the background, the sand, the shadow, the overall shape of the tree. I also demonstrate how to use salt to make the shadow open work. And finally I'll use liner to work out the dry branches of the tree. I start by filling the general background using wet and wet technique. I moisturize paper with clean water. With a round squirrel brush, I make washes with plenty of water and smoothly spread over wet paper. It is important to do this quickly so that the sheet does not dry out. Therefore, I first made a test of the colors that I will use. I looked at how they fit together. When they're next to each other, what shade they give the mix. Add a few brighter colors to the center of the composition and help the paint spread. First with a brush and then tilt the sheet in the different directions and watch how the colors mix. While the sheet is not completely dry, I begin to form a shadow from the tree. It shouldn't have sharp, clear outlines, and while the sheet is a little wet, the paint will spread gently without forming sharp boundaries, but it will not blur completely. Sprinkle the shadow on top with salt. Salt draws out the paint and the light stars formed after dry and make the shadow open work. Next, I work on the crown of the tree. Now that the sheet is completely dry, I can add clear broad strokes. Dry brush allows you to get uneven texture. In the final step, I want to create a contrast between the soft watercolor lines and the strokes of the ink liner. Thank you for watching. See you next time.